guys, whenever you ride your bike, make sure you're always got a good helmet. Good sound working, great.
Oh shit! Oh crap! Are you alright?
Yeah, I'm good. Alright guys, helmet on, safety first. So before you go for a ride, what you have to do is make sure your discs nice and tight, your maxle down here is nice and tight. Got one in the back wheel too. Make sure they're always tight. Always make sure that your dropper's working. Cool, it's working. Always just have a quick look, make sure nothing's loose. And then what happens is, often what you'll do is, Alright guys, we're out here in the middle of nowhere. We're about to go off on a ride. Always got my helmet on. Alright, see you later.